The PTA had a problem with objects getting jammed into escalators, and so either at the top or the bottom, and there were things like coins, tech screws, literally anything metal and hard. The issue you got with that is that aluminium is nice and soft and the other thing wasn't so soft. So after the object got jammed in there, you had about 10 to 15 minutes before it had done irreparable damage to the steps, and you're talking around about $100,000 to $120,000 worth of damage per escalator, and then off the air for about a week before they get it fixed.
So the customer came to us with a problem and they asked us, what technology is there or what can we do about this? So we sat down, we thought about a bunch of different technologies that could solve this problem. Eventually what that led to was acoustic analysis. So any sort of invasive object would have an effect on the condition of the motor, and we would say, why not listen to it and see what it sounds like? On a little device, basically just a simple microprocessor, we plug in a microphone, we listen to the escalator, it's constantly listening and analysing in a certain frequency range, is this normal? If it's not normal, we use Cisco Spark as an alarming tool. Within a couple of seconds, an event is created and the people who need to know immediately.
The great thing now that we've proven it works is the next step. That's the exciting bit, taking a concept to an idea, to an outcome, to a solution, and now developing an industrial strength product that we can actually put into the escalators at a very low cost base that'll actually go ahead to save, as we said, millions of dollars a year in maintenance. Even if we saved half of the obstructions, you know, that's $1 million, $1.5 million saved every year.